In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add an alpha channel to imported images on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, select Image Import and Export. And then on the right side, where it says Add an alpha channel to imported images, go ahead and check mark that to enable that or uncheck it to disable. And then once you're done, select OK to save it, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.